Today I'm pretty excited because I'm taking you guys to the Gundel étterem. Étterem is the Hungarian word for restaurant. This place is located near the Széchenyi Fürdő, which are the most famous thermal bath location in Budapest. Why am I excited? Because after more than 5 years in Budapest, I've never been there. I never went there because I thought it was a little bit overpriced. I feared that it might be a little bit too much touristy. So we'll see if the prices are good, if the food is good, if it's worth checking, and yeah, it's almost time to go. I recommend two different ways. Either you go through Octagon or you go through Deák Ferenc, because those two places are where you can catch the metro line. Number 1 is the one that's yellow and very short. Then you can take the metro either to the Hero Square, which is called Hősök tere, or you can take it all the way through Városliget, which is the next stop, called Széchenyi Fürdő. I purposely not checked anything that's on the menu because I really want to be surprised. Did you check something?
No.
No? Okay. Oh, and here's Hősök tere, which means the Heroes Square. Usually when I'm given such tiny portions in a restaurant, I find them awfully pretentious. But this time I gotta admit, those honey-enriched goat cheese bonbons were nothing short of heaven. This pike perch fillet was very good, very well cooked, very tender, but what stood out the most for me was what was underneath, this asparagus velouté that will forever be carved in my brain, because that was definitely a taste that I never ever tried before, and that was the best thing on this meal. But I can't say the same about the chairs that were way too soft for me, because I felt like I was sitting way below the table level and I really didn't like it. However, that was saved again by the food and what was coming up, this dessert combination of all kinds of flavors. One small nugget of surprise that I really appreciated was how they glued those small jars and glasses to the plate with some chocolate, as you can see on the picture now. Regarding the dessert, the taste itself was pretty good, but nothing compared to the level of the main course and the starters. All in all, I would consider this trip to the Gundel étterem a success, but I gotta keep in mind that we had a voucher that allowed us to pay only 1/3 of the normal price. So if you have to pay the real price, which is crazy expensive for Budapest, I would not really consider going to this place because it's a little bit too much for what it is. Though don't get me wrong, the food was positively delicious, not to mention the fact that you will be able to cross town and see some pretty nice areas all the way to the restaurant.